In the event it becomes necessary to clean the nozzle and vane, you should use the following procedure. First, to validate past data as being leak-free, it is advisable to perform an as-found leak check prior to cleaning the nozzle. If the nozzle is down, raise it by entering the Load Tape screen in the main EBAM menu. The nozzle will automatically rise. Remove the filter tape from the nozzle area so that you have access to the vane. Thoroughly clean the nozzle's sealing surface and the vane crosshairs with a cotton-tipped applicator and isopropyl alcohol. Hardened deposits may have to be carefully scraped off with the wooden end of the applicator. Inspect the nozzle lip and vane for any loose filter particles that may get caught in the nozzle and vane and cause leaks or tape damage. After cleaning, use canned dusting air to blow down through the vane crosshairs. This removes any filter debris from the face of the beta detector located directly under the vane. Be careful not to damage the beta detector window. Reinstall the filter tape and perform a final leak check. Here you can see the difference between good and bad filter tape spots. The tape on the right is from an EBAM with a clean nozzle and vane. The particle pollution spots have crisp edges, are perfectly round and evenly distributed. The tape on the left is from a unit with a dirty vane. A spot of debris has built up and is punching a pinhole at the edge of each spot. The spots also show a halo effect from an air leak because the debris has built up to the extent that the nozzle no longer seals correctly. These faults are easily prevented by keeping the nozzle and vane clean. The nozzle and vane must be cleaned regularly to prevent leaks and measurement errors. Should you have the sampler for an extended period, say for more than 30 days, monthly cleaning is highly recommended. Some sites may require more frequent cleaning as determined by the site administrator. The worst environment for nozzle contamination is hot, humid environments where the damp filter tape fibers more easily and sticks to the nozzle and vane. The fibers quickly build up, creating air leaks or punching small holes in the filter tape. This in turn causes measurement errors.